Alamak guys, the smell is fantastic. Tak tipu guys. You tak percaya, you beli, you cuba. Bismillah guys, makan sate mesti pakai stick kan. I favourite yang garing-garing ni, so I ambil garing ni please, okay. If you are wondering apa yang terkeluar-keluar ni semua serai lah guys, okay. Dia punya marinade. Bismillah. Stop. Lembut. So guys, ni sate goreng. Tapi kalau you prefer, you nak barbecue, especially nowadays during school holidays kan, you can get our sate stick. Dalam ada 50 pieces, okay guys. Ada ayam, ada kambing, ada lembu. And for sate goreng ni, actually kita selalu encourage eat as it is, because it's sate goreng, you nak rasa dia rempah. Tapi you kalau nak juga sate sauce, kita pun ada jual sate sauce, okay guys. Ni is actually bigger lah guys, 1 kilo guys. Memang super suitable especially for barbecue, okay. So don't forget, click on our yellow bag.